What if I told you there are high-paying remote jobs out there that nobody's really shouting about? Jobs that could fit right into your life without all the hype or false promises. Stick around, because today we're uncovering 10 legit ones that are real, rewarding, and ready for you to explore. Hey, Wealth Warriors, it's your boy Rain on Wealth here, and I gotta say, I'm fired up about this one. In a world where everyone's chasing the next big thing, I want to pull back the curtain on some solid, under-the-radar remote jobs that pay well and actually exist. We're talking opportunities from companies like Working Solutions, Liveops, and more. Roles in customer service, healthcare, tech, and beyond. No quick, rich schemes here. Just honest paths that require some effort, but can lead to steady income. By the end of this, you'll have the scoop on what it takes to get started, the real requirements, and how these could boost your financial game. Let's dive in and make your remote work dreams a reality. Keep it simple. Keep it smart. 1. Working Solutions. Remote customer service. PRO. First up, let's talk about Working Solutions. These guys offer roles as independent contractors, or what they call PROs, handling customer service through calls, chats, and support for various businesses. It's all remote, so you can do it from your home office. Now here's the framework. Time to learn? About 1 to 2 weeks for their training programs, depending on the client. Cost to start? Minimal. You'll need a reliable laptop, internet, and a quiet space, but they don't charge you to join. Income potential? We're looking at $15 to $18 per hour on average, based on productive minutes at 0.25 to $0, 31 each, plus incentives that can bump it up. Picture this. You're a parent juggling kids during the day, and evenings are your time to shine. With Working Solutions, you could schedule shifts that fit your life, building skills and customer empathy along the way. I've heard from folks who've turned this into a reliable side gig, honing their communication chops without the commute stress. It's not glamorous, but it's real work that pays the bills. And hey, think of it as being the hero in someone's bad day, without the cape, just a headset. Who knew saving the world one chat at a time could be so rewarding? But that's not all. If flexibility is your jam, this next one might just flip the script on your schedule. 2. Liveops, virtual contact center agent. Ever wondered what it's like to run your own mini call center from home? Liveops lets you do just that as an independent contractor, providing customer service for major clients via calls or chats. It's all about being there when customers need you, on your terms. Learning curve is around 1 to 3 weeks with their certification process. Cost to start? About $25 for a self-funded background check. That's it, no other fees. Income potential? It varies, but agents often hit $15 to $20 per hour by choosing high-demand shifts, and you control how much you work. Imagine you're transitioning from a traditional job and need something to bridge the gap. With Liveops, you could pick hours that match your energy peaks, learning to handle diverse customer scenarios. It's helped people I know stay afloat during tough times, building resilience and professional skills without overcommitting. It's like being the DJ of your own work playlist. Spin the calls that suit your vibe and watch the earnings roll in. Now let's flip the script to something in healthcare, because who doesn't want to make a difference while working remotely? 3. UnitedHealth Group, remote healthcare roles. UnitedHealth Group isn't just a big name. They offer remote gigs in customer service, nursing, data analysis, and admin support, like billing reps or care coordinators. These are roles where you support health services from your screen. Breaking it down. Time to learn? 2 to 4 weeks of training, plus any prior experience. Cost to start? $0 upfront, but you'll need a solid home setup. Income potential? From $17 to $32 per hour for customer service, up to $20 to $36 for senior roles, solid for the field. Think about someone who's passionate about helping others, but burned out from in-person work. Diving into UnitedHealth's remote options could let you apply your skills meaningfully, perhaps analyzing data to improve patient care. It's a path that's supported many in finding balance, focusing on growth rather than grind, right? Why commute when you can contribute to healthier lives from home? But wait, there's more variety coming up. Let's talk staffing agencies that open doors you didn't know existed. 4. Kelly Services, remote staffing opportunities. Kelly Services connects you to temp or permanent remote jobs in customer service, tech support, finance, and insurance, like support specialists or finance reps. It's a gateway to diverse industries. Time to learn? Varies by role, but 1 to 2 weeks for basics. Cost to start? Nothing. They match you for free. Income potential? $25 to $30 per hour for tech or finance gigs, depending on the placement. I remember chatting with a viewer who was stuck in a dead-end job. Kelly helped them land a remote finance role where they learned budgeting tools that changed their own finances. It's about taking that first step, building expertise, and seeing real progress. It's like a job matchmaker. Swipe right on opportunities without the awkward dates. Speaking of matching, this next one's all about professional fields. Get ready to level up. Robert Half, professional remote staffing. Robert Half specializes in remote roles for finance, tech, marketing, legal, and admin, like accountants, developers, or paralegals. They use AI and recruiters to find the perfect fit. Time to learn? 1 to 4 weeks based on experience. Cost? $0 to apply. Income potential? Competitive. Often $20 to $40+ per hour for skilled roles, though specifics vary. Envision you're a creative type wanting remote freedom. Robert Half could place you as a copywriter, letting you craft campaigns while honing your craft. It's empowered many to transition careers thoughtfully, with support every step. Think of their AI as your wingman, finding jobs so you don't have to ghost bad opportunities. Now let's shift to customer support with a twist. Global clients and solid pay. 6. Transcom, remote customer tech support. Transcom hires for remote customer service and tech advisors, handling calls for big brands. Equipment provided, so you're set up for success. Time to learn? 2-3 weeks training. Cost minimal as they supply gear. Income potential starting at $17.31 per hour with incentives and raises. For someone new to remote work, Transcom offers structure, like daily pay options, that helps build financial habits. It's a stepping stone where you learn tech troubleshooting, gaining confidence over time. It's like being the backstage crew for a concert, keeping things running smoothly while the stars shine. Healthcare again, but with a retail edge. Let's explore. CVS Health, remote health services roles. CVS Health has remote spots in customer care, nursing, data engineering, and admin. Think triage nurses or data roles focused on health. Time to learn? 3-6 weeks, especially for licensed roles. Cost? None upfront. Income potential? $23 to $33 per hour for nurses, up to $83K plus yearly for engineers. If you're in nursing and craving flexibility, this could let you triage from home, making a real impact on patients' days. It's helped professionals balance family and career with the satisfaction of contributing to wellness. Isn't it amazing how remote work can heal your work-life balance too? From health to infrastructure, time for something built to last. AECOM, remote engineering management. AECOM offers remote roles in engineering, finance, and project management, like structural engineers or finance interns. It's for those who build the world. Time to learn? 4-8 weeks with degree experience. Cost, education investment, income potential, $17 to $30 per hour for interns, $77K, $104K yearly for engineers. Picture an engineer tired of site visits. AECOM's remote options let you design from home, collaborating on projects that matter. It's a way to grow expertise without relocation stress. Building bridges remotely? Now that's what I call a solid connection. Let's get personal with assistant roles next. 9. Belay Solutions, virtual assistant more. Belay matches you with remote virtual assistant, bookkeeping, or marketing gigs, supporting businesses as an independent contractor. Time to learn? 1-2 weeks orientation. Cost? $0. Income potential? $19-20 per hour for VAs, up to $28-33 for marketing. For organized pros, this could mean assisting executives remotely, freeing up your time for what you love. It's built careers for those seeking autonomy and skill building, like being the wizard behind the curtain, making magic happen without the spotlight. Finally, science meets remote work. Let's wrap the list. 10. Thermo Fisher Scientific, remote life sciences roles. Thermo Fisher has remote jobs in sales, customer success, and engineering, like LCMS engineers or support specialists in life sciences. Time to learn? 4 to 6 weeks with technical background. Cost? Minimal. Income potential? $24.37 per hour for sales, $92K, $1 to $30K yearly for managers. If you're into science, this lets you support breakthroughs from home, applying expertise to global challenges. It's a fulfilling path for those dedicated to growth. Who knew remote work could accelerate discoveries? Here's a bonus for you. Always update your LinkedIn and resume with keywords from job descriptions. These companies use AI screening, so make yours stand out. It's a small step that shows you're serious. There you have it. Wealth Warriors, 10 legit remote jobs worth your time. Which one sparked your interest? Comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every one and love hearing your stories. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more real talk finance tips, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Remember, wealth isn't magic, it's muscle. Let's pump it together. See you next time.